Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to have a small awareness video on PM Surya Ghar Muft Bijli Yojana 2026. So what is the importance of this video is, by the end of the video you'll get a clarity about what is the importance of this scheme and why we have to have an awareness about this scheme. Okay, and you'll be able to explain to the others also to install an solar power plant after the end of this video. Now let us try to understand the concept. Okay, so the scheme is nothing but PM Surya Ghar Muft Bijli Yojana. So what is PM Surya Ghar means? PM means you already know that Prime Minister. Surya means sun. Ghar means home. Muft means free of cost. Bijli Yojana means electricity scheme. So by using this Pradhan Mantri Sun, by using this Pradhan Mantri, you can install a solar panel on your home and you can have an energy of free of cost. Okay, so this scheme is aimed for rooftop solar scheme for all residential as well as commercial. You can install the solar panel on shopping malls or on your shopping malls or buildings or shops or on bookstores, wherever is nothing but commercial also. Okay, so under this scheme what we are going to do is we are going to install the solar panel. Okay, so that kilowatt rating we can decide step by step as per the load, contract load we have been taken. So solar panels are installed on your home and the electricity is first, the generated electricity is used to power your home and the remaining power will be sent to the grid with the help of net meter. So if you send this export the power to the government and government is going to pay approximately 3 rupees in Andhra Pradesh for the power what you are exporting. So the later I will discuss with the economics and how much you are going to get back also. Okay, so here your electricity becomes almost all zero. Okay, you no need to pay electricity bill after installing this PM Surya Ghar Bijli Yojana. And coming to the basically what happens here is so here we are going to have an hard type galvanized iron. Okay, so this structure is called an hard type galvanized iron. So basically why we are using an galvanized iron is basically this is strong and rigid as well as anti resistance, nothing but a dust resistant, I mean rust resistance material. Okay, so this is how we are going to have the structure. So coming to the structure here, so generally the structure we generally maintain here, we're going to have approximately 7 feet, and here we're going to maintain 6 feet. So the design may change. This is the standard design. The design will change as per the requirement of the customer. So some customer may require directly flat. So and these panels will be generally facing south. Okay, and we have the inclination angle. What we are going to make here is nothing but approximately 15 or 30 degrees depending upon the inclination. Okay, so coming to the structure, this is all about how we have the structure. Now coming to the who are the manufacturer of these solar panels. The first brand is Tata and another brand is Adani Renewables, and the topmost leader brand which manufacture solar panels is Vary and Jackson Solar. Okay, so this is how after completing the scheme the solar panels will be erected. Okay, and coming to here, so who are the top manufacturers in India? So actually we have multiple doubts in this panel. So the first type of panel is nothing but N-Topcon DCR panels. What is N-Topcon means? N-Topcon means N-type tunnel oxide passivated contact technology. Okay, so CON means contact technology. These panels we are generally going to have higher efficiency and long life. The life of these panels are very higher. So who are very popular in manufacturing is N-Topcon is nothing but Vary, and currently Adani is working on to develop this type of N-Topcon, and Tata is also developing. But now current popular in N-Topcon is Vari. Okay, so the next type of technology what we have in this panel is a bifacial panel. Okay, so bifacial means you can see this panel. So these panels can get the can attract the solar radiation from the sun radiation as well as from the down direction. This is phase 1, this is phase 2. From both the phases it can grab the irradiation or the solar radiation and it will try to generate the power. Okay, so that's why these are the two types of panels. What you have to see is n top con and bifacial. All the brands, especially Tata is very powerful in bifacial, and Vari as well as Adani, all these are the top leaders in the manufacture of panels. So but Tata is having more experience and service is long run. Many people believe on Tata. So Tata is the leader of solar panels, especially in the case of bifacial. And in the case of N Topcon, Vari. So my suggestion when you ask as an advisor, so this Tata will be good in kinds of inverter design and cable and everything. But Vari is very good in panel wise. Okay, so that you can select based on your requirement whatever you select, but from these three brands it will be very good. So and next some people may get what is meant by DCR panel. So panels which are manufactured in India are called as a DCR panel. DCR means domestic content. The panel which are manufactured in India are generally grouped as a domestic content required panel. For these panels only we can get a subsidy of 78,000. Okay, and now coming to the brands, already I told Tata Power is one of the leader of the solar industry for many years of decade. And next one is Adani, next one is Vari Energy, next one is Vikram, well known for high performance and renew system, and Rizon and Goldi, Jackson Solar. Next one is Loom Solar, Sunera Solar, and Insulation. Okay, so now after designing this solar structure, you are going to have, this is one of the projects we have been exhibited. So the we had been installed a 3 kilowatt plant, and this 3 kilowatt plant you're going to have positive terminal and negative terminal. So the positive and negative are available here. So whenever this positive and negative terminal are available, automatically we are going to use an SPDs. This is nothing but surge protection devices, and we are going to use HRC fuses, high rupture capacity fuses in this box, and we are going to take the ground. Okay, so we are going to connect them to the ground. A wire is run which is used to connect it to the ground. So from here you are going to get the DC, and to this panel, from the output of this panel you're going to get the DC supply, and this DC supply is given to the solar inverter. Okay, so this solar inverter we can connect to an internet by using this modem, and the output of the solar panel is a line and neutral. So line and neutral will once again come back, and here this is nothing but the earthing point. So here we are going to perform a DC earthing pit, and here from this end you are going to perform AC earthing pit, and directly from the top you are going to have the lightning arrestor. So the AC will come here, and here you are going to have an MCB and an isolator which is connected, and from this output we are directly going to connect to the output of the meter. The connection diagram I will explain in another. So these are the components what we use. Okay, so coming to the connections, this is all about the connections. And who are the top manufacturers of this inverter is, first one is Solis, which is designed especially for Tata, and next brand is Sofar, and next inverter manufacturer is Soul Planet. So in India, there are a number of inverter brands, especially Growart is very good, and for higher rating, Delta Electronics. Next one, Soul Planet, Sofar Solar, and SunGrow. And Micro Luminous is also very topmost manufacturer of inverter. And next one is Microtech. You already know this brand, and UTL and Vari. Okay, so Vari also is going to generally manufacturing the inverter technology. Okay, so you can have a kit of all these components. And coming to the subsidy amount, so what is the subsidy I'm going to get here is, if you install 3 kilowatt plant, for example, let us try to consider we need to install an 3 kilowatt. So for first kilowatt, you're going to get a subsidy of 30,000. For second kilowatt, you're going to get a subsidy of 60,000. And for the remaining kilowatt also, you're going to get an additional subsidy of 18,000. So 50 kilowatt 30, here also you're going to have 30, 30 plus 30 60, 16 plus 18, totally 78,000 you're going to get the subsidy. For the next 40 kilowatt you're going to get in subsidy of 18,000. If you install one more 5 kilowatt system, then you're going to get a subsidy of one more 18,000. Okay, so totally the total cost after the subsidy, what happens is you can get an 3 kilowatt. After the subsidy is 1 lakh 40,000 you can get the plant after subsidy, and a 5 kilowatt you can get it for 2 lakh 50,000 after subsidy. Okay, so these are the prices of a 3 kilowatt plant as well as an 5 kilowatt plant. Okay, so now who is eligible? Okay, so all the residential people are eligible for solar. Okay, so when you have an electrical connection, automatically you are eligible for this on-grid solar PV system, and your roof should have the sufficient sunlight. So generally we are in south region, we can have a required amount of sunlight, and minimum area required is 225 square feet. Okay, so when you take the structure automatically, here you can see here the length what we require is 15 feet, and the breadth what we require is 15 feet, or 13 feet is also sufficient. When you multiply here, 225 square feet is more than sufficient, and you should install through an proper vendor. Okay, so when you, so the scheme of registering. Okay, so apartments and commercial buildings we cannot have a subsidy, so we should have it an directly applied to an non-DCR category. Okay, so coming to here, so this is all about myself. So I would like to say you the scheme how it works. Okay, so generally I am acting as an advisor for this Bharat Solar Energy. So in this PM Surya Ghar Muft Bijli Yojana, just if you pay 22,000, then the solar plant will be installed at your house. Okay. So and the total cost of the plant is around 2 lakh 20,000. So in this, how much you are paying is, so 10% of the amount you are paying. So for 10 percentage, you are going to pay from your pocket, and you are going to have the remaining 90% of the amount, which is 1 lakh 98,000. You are going to get an loan at an interest rate of 6 percentage per annum. So in this, 1 lakh 98,000, you are going to get a subsidy of central government. It's already discussed. So 78,000 you are going to get the subsidy. Okay. So the net amount after the subsidy is 1 lakh 20,000. In this 1 lakh 20,000, if you calculate the EMI for 10 years, which is nothing but 120 months, approximately you are going to have. So you have to pay only 1,700 rupees as an EMI every month. Okay, so the simple logic is, if you want to have this kind of plants, just you pay 22,000 and the plant will be installed at your house, and whatever the current bill you are getting in your home, just pay that current bill of 1,700 as an EMI. So almost all after 10 years your plant will be won, and this plant is going to run for the remaining 15 years, and you can enjoy the free power. Or if you're interested to clear it earlier also, you can clear. So that is the importance of this scheme. Okay, so if you want any doubts or clarification, you can contact me, so where I will help you in selecting the vendor. Okay, so I have worked with multiple vendors which will help the people to install solar. So if you are very interested, you can call to this number, and I will help you in installing the quality of panels. Okay, so who can apply? Okay, so just this is just go to PM Surya Ghar Bijli Yojana scheme, register with your current bill and Aadhaar card, PAN card, and then you select the state AP, and you can select your vendor. So actually this vendor is very doing well. That's why I am working as a technical advisor for this vendor, and you can complete your inspection. Okay, so here while doing inspection, you need to have DC earthing, AC earthing, as well as panel earthing, as well as lighting arrestor earthing. So all this subsidy amount also will be credited into your bank. Hope you got a clarity about what is the amount you have to invest on solar plant. So just you pay 22,000, the solar plant will be installed by the vendor, and things will be done very smooth. And whatever the current bill you are getting, just pay it like an monthly EMI. Almost all you can enjoy from that day onwards. You can enjoy the free power. Okay, so this is all about the PM Surya Ghar. That's why I told this scheme is very good scheme, useful to the public nowadays. And in the budget also, recently they have been sanctioned around 85,000 crores for this plant. Okay, that's why this scheme is called PM. PM means Pradhan Mantri, Surya means sun, Ghar means so you have to install this plant on your home, Muft, free of cost. You're going to get a free of cost means after installation the power becomes free, and this is called energy or electricity scheme. So hope I think I had given you sufficient amount of knowledge. So by the end of this video, you'll be getting a clarity. What is this PM Surya Ghar Muft Bijli Yojana, and how to install, and between which vendor and which suitable vendor do you like, you can install. Okay, so this is all about the PM Surya Ghar Muft Bijli Yojana. So thank you for watching. If you feel my video is useful for you, please like the video and share the video with your friends. If you have any doubts, let me know in the comment section. If you want have any doubt, if you want to talk to me, so you can reach out me at my contact number. I will help you in selecting the panels and the inverter and selecting the vendorship. Thank you for your time. We'll meet in another beautiful video. Yours, Ram.